of the most common skin diseases in the world, affecting up to 50 million Americans. It can be painful and it can be embarrassing. For some of us, it clears up after a few days, but for others, long after the acne is gone, the scars can be there forever. To learn more about getting rid of them and finally getting clear, smoother skin, please welcome Dr. Jim Kane III with Innovative Aesthetics and his patient, Lydia Coronado. Hi there. I talked about how this can be so painful for somebody to go through, not only the physical pain, but also emotionally. So tell us when you first started dealing with acne and how it made you feel.
Well, it's just not good. You feel ashamed, not happy about your acne and the scarring and not having...
And to no fault of your own. But
right. It's just painful. The acne I had, it was a cystic acne that's under the skin. Mm-hmm. So I've tried everything. I've tried all different kinds of products, antibiotics, pills, creams, microdermabrasion.
Yeah. Each time trying something with
different
the hopes that
to try that the scarring might come off, the acne is gonna go away. It just doesn't go away.
Yeah. All right, Dr. Kate, let's talk about first what acne is and what causes it.
As you know, Deborah, acne is caused by bacteria, and the bacteria actually lives on the oil that's in our skin. It actually digests it and secretes fatty acids. The fatty acids cause a lot of inflammation that brings in white blood cells. The white blood cells are fighting the bacteria, and unfortunately the skin just gets in the way. It's kind of an innocent bystander, collateral damage. And that's what leads to the scarring and the acne pitting.
And there's different types of acne. Actually, you mentioned having the cystic acne. Is that the most severe or the most difficult to deal with?
That is one of the most severe types, yes.
Okay. So is there anything we can do to lessen the effects or when we talk about getting rid of it, there's different ways to attack it. We'll talk about that in a minute. But anything that we can do to lessen that bacteria or lessen the impact of acne?
Well, as you know, acne can be exacerbated by diet, by cleansing, skincare products, makeup, stress, genetics. So there are ways to deal with those factors, of course.
And had you done that as well? Just like, okay, if this is...
I've tried everything. I'm serious. I've tried everything.
Okay. So tell us about this new procedure that is making a big difference for a lot of people.
Sure. It's called SmartZide Dot. It's a type of CO2 laser. CO2 lasers have been around since before you were born in the 70s. And
you're off just a little bit, but anyway,
they were used for ablations, which is where a patient would come in and have most of their skin removed on their face. This would have about 4 to 6 weeks of downtime, very painful, a lot of downtime. So when you talk about products today or any type of aesthetic procedure, I like to think in terms of do you get the desired result? What is the downtime? What is the discomfort? And the dollars, what does it cost?
Right.
And SmartZide Dot fortunately scores on every one of those points.
Huh. And you're nodding your head. Okay.
It's a CO2 laser, but it's fractionated, which means that it fires in a little pattern of dots. And we can select the pattern, the energy on the beam. It's very customizable to each patient.
How many treatments would someone need? It just depends, or is it one time that you go in?
One or two treatments.
And what was the difference that you noticed?
Oh, I've noticed big difference on my face.
Mainly in?
On this area right here, you can see I had a lot of scarring.
And it's smoother now?
Oh, it's a lot smoother. Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, and you're in the beauty business, so this is why this is even extra important to you.
I have my own business, so you're in front of my clients every day. You just have to feel comfortable about yourself. You're in the beauty business.
Yeah.
Your hair has to look good.
Well, yours looks good, I'm going to tell you that
Thank
right
you.
now. and we're taking a look at some before and after pictures here. And
I'm sorry, I should point out, now Lydia's just 2 weeks.
2 weeks
out
ago
from the
we
procedure.
did it. Yeah.
She's going to get
every day you see the difference.
So it keeps repairing.
It keeps going out to a year.
Wow.
Right.
So.
Okay, and just in closing, I got to have you tell people the name of your salon.
It's As the Chair Turns at the Collier Salon.
As the Chair Turns. Very cute.
Thank you.
Good. So you feel a little boost of confidence now.
Yes, I do. I feel so much better, and I would recommend this to anybody. It's my clients already asking where I went and everything, so it's good.
Good. Well, thank you very, very much for letting us know about this, because we know there are so many people who are dealing with this exact same thing. To learn more about the SmartSide Dot Laser and the other services available at Innovative Aesthetics, you can log on to ia-houston.com, or you can call this number. We're going to put that up on the screen for you, and that number is 713-468-8759.